Good morning. We are Group 11. We are here to present our project based on IoT called Smoke Prevention System. So my registration number is 19RP00602.
My registration number is 19RP05667.
My registration number is 80RP01831.
Okay, thank you. So we are going to start our project. So we have some different kinds of equipment we are going to use. So my colleagues can start to say the first one.
Is server.
First equipment is server. Another one,
Run screen.
sprinkler. Another one,
Smoke detector.
smoke detector. Another one,
Access point.
access point. And then
Car.
we will need car. So this car it will be like all device or another which can produce something which called smokes, and it will lead us to our fire prevention. So first of all, we are going to make some connection in our equipment. First of all, we can start from about lawn sprinkler. Here on sprinkler, you can go in here and then come here on the wires, and then here, for example, we can use our name, which will be the same to the all equipments, and on the bed smoke detector. But before we go into the smoke detector, we need to connect our access points. We are here to go to the port 1 because it will be the name which will be connected to our own sprinkler, and then come here to our smoke detector as well, and then here also we come here on the wireless, then we change our name to be connected. So our equipment automatically connected between our sprinkler, access point and the smoke detector. So we are going to connect it to the server. So here we need a type of cable. We need to choose connection type automatically, then connect it. So here the connection it will run. So my colleagues is continue to say how we are going to configure.
The first of all, we configure IP address of server. We are going in desktop IP configuration. We choose 1.1.0.0.1. Then we go in other equipment like lawn sprinkler. We choose a static. Then we put 1.0.0.2. We go in smoke detector. We go in static. We put 1.0.0.3. This IP address we will go in the same range. And let's give our equipment the same server address, and then we go to create admin name and the password. After declare it, we will go to configure our condition that help to detect our smoke. Let's go in server and web server. Then we put our IP address of server. After we go, then we create. Let's see the problem we have.
So we are about the configuration of our server. So here we are going to service of server, and then we go on the service of IoT. Here the registration server is off, then we make on. So my colleague is continue to say about the configuration server.
After to open on the server, we go in desktop and the web browser to search our server IP address that requires to create username and password. That will create, we are sign up. Here we use admin as username and admin as password, or number that we have to create a password. Then after we go in the server device, we are going to make a condition. This condition will help us to detect when the smoke detection detect a smoke. Loan sprinkler will give out to prevent it. Let's we log in our server. After signing, we go in condition to add a condition. Then we add the smoke. When smoke on, that is our name of our condition. Our device of smoke is let's see. We go here to let's continue. Here our name of service smoke on. When smoke on, the condition. Here we have a problem where, because we are missing to add the name of server and the username and password. Then let's to add it. We go in configuration of our equipment. We add server IP address or address. Then we add name of server. Then you add password, then connect it. After to be refreshed, let it to do in the same as the other equipment. Remote server address, and server name and password. Let's connect. After this, we go in the server to configure any function that help us to detect the smoke. Write a server IP address. We go admin as username, password. Let's sign in. Our device is here in the server.
Yes.
Let's configure and condition.
Yes.
Let's to rename as smoke on. If smoke detector on, if smoke detector on, that's a level greater or equal dot 3. Then IoT 0 status to true. That's our condition first. Let's add other condition. Smoke detector off. Our IoT 1 level greater dot 3. Then IoT 0 status to false. Then okay, let's add other condition 3. Low sprinkler, that is a name. Sprinkler. Then our IoT 1 alarm is first. Then IoT 0 status first. Then okay. Let's check our condition is correct. When some device like car gives a smoke, just check our condition.
So, as my colleague she has been said, so we are going to test about how the alarms will take. Will say about the alarm when our car here, because the reason why we use the car, so you can be like can be in the house, and then you can use when there are some person who are smoking about the cigarette. So this is a configuration you can use about your home or your car, when your car have been producing many smokes. In case of about the motor, you can know how the problem is. So we are going to test our system. Let's open the smoke. Then here we are going to see our level of our smoke. When they reach on the 3 here, then it will be make alarm. As you see, the alarm is said to the sprinkler said you can move on the house or can move on out on your car. And then so when we close our smoke, then our sprinkler will be open about on our condition have been said. So this is our project which we assess smoke detector. And then thank you for being with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We love you.